about the slice tool. Okay, so basically slice tool is used to just to create a multiple slices on a of a one image and to put a links on that slicing parts. Okay, so that when you click on that part, it will navigate you to the URL that you put on the slice. So I will give the just the basic idea of slice tool using this image. Then I will tell you how to use this slice tool, just like in the web designing. Okay, so first we have to select the slice tool. All right, so this is my slice tool, and I'm gonna cut this image into 4 equal parts. Okay, so this is my first part, and this is my second part. All right, and this is, I'm gonna put a third part like this. Okay, and this is my fourth part. So you see it's showing the 0 1 2 3 4, and now I'm gonna select my tool, that is my slice select tool. Okay, you can select this slice and just make it smaller or bigger, just like this. And when you double click here, it shows the slice type: image, no image, table. So we will select the image. Now name it to the one, and URL is http www. We will first put the google.com, and target is, of course, it's open in new window, so I'm gonna put it blank. Now on the second slice, I will put the URL just like the www.microsoft.com, and of course, okay, I will leave a target none, so I will show the difference. And on the third slide, I'll put here the 3, and the URL is http://www.yahoo.com, and target is, yes, of course, the blank. And in the fourth slide, I'll put the name for and http://iriva.com. Target is, of course, is again the blank. Okay, 2 1 2 3 4. All right, so they are set, and you can do the changes like right click, you can delete the slice, you can edit slice options. Okay, and you can divide the slice into more equal to parts like this. This is the one. Okay, divide slice down to, okay, so it's in the every space is like the 2. Here you see it's divided into 2 equal parts. When you click on 3, then it will convert it to 3 equal parts. If you use this one 2, then it will divide this just like this. Okay, and it's just like the bring it forward and front, just like in the slides. You can bring one slide forward and the backward on. Okay, just like one on the another. So here I will use this 4 slice. Okay, and now click on the file. You have to click just export and save for web, and here we have to select the is the PNG, because my image will show the clear one. So every preset is PNG, you see here. Okay, and now click on the save. Don't do any changes. Okay, so this is my previous one. Okay, I'm gonna delete this one first. Right, now select the folder where you want to save it, and the name. Okay, we'll do name is the nature. All right, it sets. So come on the new folder. You see here the images is divided into 4 equal parts, the parts that we cut it using slice tool. Okay, and when you click on this HTML, so you see here my image will load it, and I click on my first just like here, because the approximation I cut this into first part, and when I click here, then it will open a google.com, you see. And when I click here, it will load a microsoft.com on the same tab, because I didn't put the target as a blank. Okay, so when I click here, then it will open a yahoo.com, and when I click here, then it will open a iriva.com. So you see here, just like this you can make a multiple slices. Okay, and also you can check here the below one. You see it's the yahoo.com, it's the iRiver.com, Microsoft and Google. So just like this you can put one image on the web and cut into the equal parts or the multiple parts, and you can place a link on that. All right, so I will make you the show you the another one. Just create a new. All right, and its width is 1024, height is 766. Okay, so just like the web. Okay, all right, so I downloaded this one, so I will delete this. Okay, so first I will create a nav bar. Okay, just like as it's on the website. So this is my nav bar, and I'm gonna fill the color, this color. And now I will put a logo. For logo I will type a any name. So name it to the nav bar. All right, and for logo just like type anything. Okay, the logo. All right, on the top, place it to the here. Okay, so you see it's my logo, and I'll create a multiple text just like here the home, and its size is be 18. Okay, and next just hold down the alt key, and okay, so I'm gonna name it as a about. Okay, so I'll create a just like here a navbar, a home, about, and I will put this image to here. Alright, so it will go down to my navbar now. So as you see, assume like this is your websites, the home page. Here's your logo, here's your home tab where you want to navigate, okay, on the other page, and this is your about section, and where you want to navigate into the another page. So I will use the slice tool. Okay, so first I will cut here the logo. When I click on this area, it will navigate me the one part, and this one area is for another, this one area is for another. Okay, and this is my the image. If you want to put a link, then you can put, otherwise just leave it. Okay, so I'm just use the slice to select, name to the logo, URL is okay, put http www dot. Okay, so I will put here name it any website. Okay, so basically I will use the google.com. Target is of course it's the blank. Then and for home, name it to the home, http, if you have a page just like www dot any name of your website. So assume my website name is logo.com. Okay, and I want to open at logo.com is my home.html. Okay, and this is about my about section. So name http dot logo.com, and this is about.html. And yes, target is of course it's a blank. That means you will you want to open your page into the next tab. So this is actually comes the coding part when you use the hyperlink tag reference, just like the we call hive tag, anchor tag. Okay, so in the anchor tag, this is the attribute of the anchor tag. We can use the target, the blank, so it will open your So when you click on that text then or image, then it will open that URL into the next tab. Okay, so we are done here, just like this. Okay, so I'm gonna just do file, save for web, and everything is on the PNG. Okay, now save it. Okay, save just like the logo.html. So see, it's been generated. Here are the images, and when you click on the just here, okay, and the right click, edit with notepad. So here you can able to see the code. Okay, so here you see it's been converted into the HTML code, and when you open it, so you see here is your the HTML page. You can see here the logo. When you click, it will open a Google, and when you click on the home, then it will load your www.logo.com home.html. Okay, the same with this one. So just like this, you can generate a web page using the Photoshop and the Slash tools.